Hello and welcome. Which corporate formations are commonly used in sustainable investment funds? We mentioned in our previous article that the most commonly used forms of investment funds in sustainable finance are the undertaking for collective investment in transferable securities, better known as UCITS, the Specialized Investment Fund, the Fonds d'investissement spécialisé, SIF, the Investment Company in Risk Capital, Société d'investissement en capital à risque, SICAR, Undertaking for Collective Investment, UCI Part 2 funds. And finally, the Reserved Alternative Investment Funds, or RAIF, RAIF. These investment funds are generally structured and need traditional business formations to operate. Which corporate forms are generally used? The most commonly used corporate formations for investment funds are, first of all, the Public Limited Liability Company, the Société Anonyme SA, on which we extensively wrote these past few weeks. Then the private limited companies, Société à responsabilité limitée, SARL, the partnership limited by shares, Société en commandite par action, SCA, the limited partnership, Société en commandite simple, SCS. We have also covered most of its legal operating in past publications. And finally, the Special Limited Partnership, Société en commandite spéciale, SCSP, Société en commandite spéciale, the Special Limited Partnership, as for the SCSP, the SCSP, so the Société en commandite spéciale, we have dealt with the main legal aspect of it, as well, the main legal aspects of it, in past publications as well. So, references now. So yeah, if the video was interesting and not too long, you can like it on social media. For instance, we are on Facebook, we are on YouTube. We have a YouTube channel, Bertrand Mario Avocat, Bertrand Mario Avocat. We have also a podcast, the Low and Impact podcast, and we are planning on having a lot more content in English. So far, it's been all in French, but yeah. So in the coming weeks, expect English content. You can also, yes, you can, if this is an interesting initiative for you, you can rate us on Apple Podcast, and it's also available on Spotify and every platform as a podcast. And it's also you can find this on Mario Avocat with an S, valemecum.com. You'll see all our publications. And that is it. So I'm going to finish with the references. So the references for today for UCITS and Part 2 funds, see Law of 17 December 2010 relating to undertakings for collective investment as amended. I've put the links on all the references we mentioned today. For SIF, for the Specialized Investment Fund, you can refer to the law of 13 February 2007 relating to specialized investment funds as amended. For SICAR, you can go and see the law of 15 June 2004 relating to the investment company in risk capital as amended. For RAIF, you can see the law of 23 July 2016 on reserved alternative investment funds as amended. And you can also see the article What is a RAIF that we wrote a couple of weeks ago, dated 17 June 2020, Bertrand Mario. Also, finally, the following publications the publications that we're going to mention now deal with the main and general corporate law questions on the aforementioned corporate formations. For Société Anonyme, so for the Société Anonyme, you can refer to the publication Qu'est-ce qu'une Société Anonyme. It's all in French for the corporate law publications. So you can refer to this publication, Qu'est-ce qu'une société anonyme, 29 July 2020. We wrote extensively on Société Anonyme from the end of July to the 20th of August, where we wrote this article, L'acquisition d'actifs des fondateurs, un dixième du capital par la Société Anonyme. So you can all the articles in between are refer to the SA, the Société Anonyme, and for the SCS, the Société en Communauté Simple, you can go and see publications, and all the links, as I mentioned, are included in the text version of this publication, which you can find on marioavocat.com/vademecum. And so for Société en Commandite Simple, so the limited partnership, you can see the publication Qu'est-ce qu'une société en commandite simple, SCS, 18 June 2020. From this date until the 6th of July 2020, we wrote, and we wrote completely on the Société en Commandite Simple limited partnership, and you can find like it's pretty finished, like, so it's pretty, you can have a good, very good view of this company within those articles. And finally, for the Société en Commandite Spéciale, the limited partnership, the special limited partnership, the SCSP, you can see the publications from Qu'est-ce qu'une société en commandite spéciale, from the 7th July 2020, then until the 28th of July, where you can find these last articles on the subject, la transformation d'une SCSP et la personnalité juridique, dated 28 July 2020. Voilà. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope it was interesting. And I will talk to you very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.